So what we say is that what matters in cyberspace is you have to have initiative. And if I was to define it as a noun, initiative is a posture of anticipation, right? And so what you have to do is seize the initiative in cyberspace. You have to have that posture of anticipation. You have to take it away from the adversary, because if you have the posture of anticipation, they're on the back foot and they're responding to what you're doing. If they have it, you're on the back foot. So do you want to be reacting, or do you want to be acting in cyberspace? If you seize the initiative, you're acting, you're setting the tempo, you're driving the actions of the adversary, and that works to your advantage.
Well, let's go back then to the example you gave, the China IP theft example. So they would have the initiative as they're coming in, trying to steal the IP. I understand how we would defend. I could understand how we would react, and we've actually seen some of that with sanctions and such. But how would we regain the initiative in a case like that?
It's a good question. So I would say arguably we haven't at this point. We tried to do so diplomatically with President Obama's agreement with President Xi in 2015. And if you've studied that case closely, they say that there was a drop-off in IP theft, but then it bumped up again very quickly just a few months after. So that wasn't really successful. How could we do it in and through cyberspace?
In this cyber strategic environment.
Yeah, so what we could do is we know where those data go in China. We know what servers they land on, and we could corrupt those servers. Right? I'm not recommending that we do that. I'm not saying we have, but that is taking the initiative back from China so that what they took from us, they no longer can make use of.
We should add it as a CTF target. Is one of these things.
Well, again, we have to be careful.